This rock represents why I come back to the Dishman Hills year after year, and why I have always shared it with my students when I was an elementary school teacher. There is the whole map of life on Earth on this rock. You know, at one time, there was just the rock. And yet this rock probably got deposited here by the great Missoula floods, the Ice Age floods. But as soon as it settled down, these things that they're totally covering it, they're called lichens. They're two organisms working together. They started colonizing it and dissolving it with a mild acid. Now, after a while, they captured dust blowing in until there was a little bit of soil here. And what happened? Mosses came in. You feel the lichens, they're dry. You feel the mosses, they're moist. And they captured more. And you can see the pine needles all over the top of it. And look what we have here now. We've got a pine tree growing out of a break, a crack, a fissure in that rock. This pine tree's, oh, let's see, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, about 7 years old. It's taken it 7 years to get to this point. How much bigger is it going to get? Depends on how much water and nutrients it can get. If it can expand that crack. It'll be interesting to come back in 10 or 15 years and see what happened. Is it still here? Is it still fairly small? Because it only grows if it gets what it needs. And finally, we look and we see grasses. And in some places you will see flowers. And it's all this succession of life. It's a time machine of life on land. And these time machines are scattered all over the Dishman Hills. That's one of the things that brings me back.